Of a plant. There are three very important parts of a plant: the roots, the stem, and the leaves. Roots. They grow under the ground, they hold the plant in the ground, and they absorb water and mineral salts that plants need. Stem. The stem grows above the ground, has branches that have leaves, and there are two types of stems: woody stems, which are hard. Two types of woody stems are the shrub, which have a thin stem with branches coming from the ground, and trees, which have a thick, strong stem called trunks. There are also non-woody stems. They are soft and flexible. Leaves are the green part of a plant that come from the stem or branches. Plants make their own food from them. Deciduous trees lose all of their leaves in autumn. Evergreen trees do not lose all of their leaves at one time, but change little by little. Nutrition of plants. Making food. Plants make their own food from water and mineral salts they get from the soil and substances they get from the air and sunlight. They make the food in their leaves. They absorb water and mineral salts from the soil through their roots. This is called xylem sap. The xylem sap goes from the roots to the leaves where it mixes with substances from the sunlight and the air, which in turn creates food. This food is called phloem sap. Using food. Plants use the food they make to grow and carry out. Their life processes. They store food in their roots, trunk, or leaves when they have made too much. Carrots in their roots, potatoes in their stems, and onions in their leaves. Reproduction of plants. Flowers. Most plants have flowers. The flowers have the reproductive organs necessary to reproduce. The calyx protects the flower, made up of many small green leaves called sepals. The corolla are a group of colored leaves called petals. Stamens are the male reproductive organ of the flower, which are long and have round ends, which have pollen. The pistil is the female reproductive organ, which has the shape of a bottle and ovules inside. Fruit and seeds. When pollen enters the pistil, the flowers begin to lose its petals and the pistil becomes a fruit. There are seeds inside the fruit from which a new plant can be born. Some fruits only have one seed, like peaches or almonds, while some fruits have lots of seeds, like peppers or melons. A plant is born. The seed falls to the ground and finds water, warmth, and air to help it grow. A new plant is born. Germination is when a new plant is born. First, the roots grow down into the ground. Then, a stem forms and grows above the ground, and little by little, leaves grow. Geraniums or potatoes can grow from cuttings, which are small pieces of the stem or root.